As a proper northern lady growing up in the north, we have something we call simi. Simi is made from tamarind and herbs and spices and all others. It is used mainly to detoxify the body, but the modern way of making simi, which is tamarind drink, is by soaking and washing your tamarind, then boiling it with some pineapple peels, sugar, mint, and aromatics, which is my fresh ginger, chili, negro pepper, and cloves. You're going to add enough water, let this cook thoroughly. This has a lot. I have a lot of childhood memories of this tamarind drink actually. So once everything is set, you're going to strain everything using this fine mesh cloth and let it cool down completely. You can add more sugar to taste or just let it sit like that. I'll be packaging mine in this beautiful cute pet bottles I got from Kitchen Accessories, Kanu or Abuja. They have all things kitchen related. Do check them out. I got these beautiful pet bottles, the ice mold, the ice scoop. In fact, even this cup that I used in this video, look at how chilled this tamarind juice is. And then of course I made popsicles for the kids and I got the popsicle mold from her also. Bye.